Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN HR Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the connectivity option and select it, and here find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. In the Wi-Fi menu, scroll down and find the option called Saved Networks. Tap on it, and here we have the list of networks we are connected to on our watch, and they are saved. And to disconnect from the network, tap on the X button next to the network and tap on the check mark to confirm. And the network will be removed from the list and it will be disconnected. And then you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.